Hey guys, so what's up you guys? It's Godot's Blowing. What you guys up to? Now. So.
I'm moving out. Bye.
Yeah. She's
only temporarily. We're still together.
Yeah. Temporary. So, oh, excuse me. Shopping. So we're doing some shopping for her. So she's going to go on her own for the longest time, you guys. So right now, you guys, we are doing some grocery shopping. So that's what we are doing some grocery shopping.
Hi guys. So we're back at the house. Gareth is just grabbing some tuna. He's hangry. There he is. Mr. Serious over here. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and then we're leaving. But yeah, Gareth is hungry, so he's in a mood. Hangry mood. He's really funny when he's in a mood, though.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are unpacking Rachel's stuff. I'm just digging some stuff. I'm just unpacking some stuff. It's really windy, you guys, yes, I know. So we are just doing like that, so we will show you a room too.
Oh. Okay, so this is my place I'm staying in for 8 months. This is the living room. The TV.
That needs to go soon.
Yeah, we're getting one. Here, we'll show that last. This is not my kitchen, but the kitchen. Me.
You.
I'll show you laundry tomorrow. Bathroom?
Doesn't matter, it's up to you.
There's one in the bathroom, that's okay. This is the bathroom. Yeah, it's really nice here. Let's make sure we put lights off.
Lights off? You're not paying for hydro.
So I want to be polite. This is my room. Okay, honestly, I came here and I was like, okay, I need to buy bed sheets. But like, my room is actually really nice. I haven't had painted walls in so long. It makes me so happy. And it doesn't, guys, it doesn't smell like weed here. So yeah, this is my room. If you want to, Gareth, could you turn on the light? In here? Yeah, it's super nice. It has a mirror in here. I didn't even realize that. Okay.
It has a mirror?
Yeah.
You did not know that?
No.
She probably put out for special for you.
Apparently, she made the room, like, she, like, did it all nice up for me and stuff, and new bed sheets and everything.
And then we also have she also has a big backyard.
Yeah, but it's not all mine. It's like, we can have, like, fires and stuff in here and all that. So, yeah, this is a nice place. And the couch is, like, so soft. Have you sat on here yet, Gareth?
Yes, I have.
It's a good sleeping couch, I think.
Yes. Okay, go. Pinocchio! Pinocchio! You're Pinocchio! Pinocchio! You're lying! How dare you lie? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Your nose is growing! Hey guys, so I'm going to end the video, but guess who's on the other line? Say hi. Oh, she's awkward, quiet. But she's on the other line. We're gonna FaceTime.
Throat.
What about your throat?
I'm trying to figure out. Oh, I can probably put my phone in.
She's trying to figure out her new place, you guys, yes.
Yeah.
So that's what's going on. So it's Go Dogs Fun. So now, peace, guys. See you guys back here in the future. Have a good night. Goodbye.